Atharvi Vanadi, working at AIMS Hospital. I am a heart specialist. I take care of people and help them to recover when they are sick. I will find out what is wrong with sick people with my instruments. BP machine, sugar machine, oximeter and stethoscope. And do proper treatment with injection and medicine. Eat healthy food. Don't eat unhealthy food. It is not good for heart. Do exercise every day. You become strong like me. Wash your hands. Use sanitizer, wear mask. If you have any problem, come to me. No money, bye bye.